Hey, this is Josh from Waller Equipment. Today we're inside our showroom taking a look at a Redmax product. This is the EXZ260S-PH. It's a power head unit. Got a couple of them here. The one on the rack here has a string trimmer head. It is a 25.4 cc, 1.3 horsepower, weighs 9 pounds, strato-charged engine, 2-year warranty, which is extendable. Ask us about those details. Easy to use, trimmer head, shaft drive. Main feature we're going to take a look at here is this rubber broom. This thing works awesome. Many uses for it. This time of year, we're in April, looking at doing spring cleanups. You have a gravel driveway. You probably have plenty of gravel on your lawn, and this will take care of that. Sweep that gravel right back onto the driveway without damaging your lawn. Much quicker than the old bar rake. Much easier. We do rent this unit out. That could be an option too if you want to try before you buy. Give us a call if you're interested in that. 320-573-2341. And this is the Redmax power head broom attachment. There are many other attachments available. We have tags on the wall here. We've got our straight shaft trimmer, dethatcher, cultivator, hole saw, brush cutter, edger, and a broom type sweeper attachment. You see there are quite a few different attachments we can mount on this power head. Much more universal than just a regular string trimmer. If you're looking for a string trimmer, we have those as well. Give us a call. Be happy to help.